There's a special coordinator option for users who need to be able to receive SMS messages but who do not have access to email. This would normally only be used for on-call coordinator phones, which are handed over at the end of the shift and do not belong to a named person. This could also be used if a supervisor has been given a work mobile but does not have a work email and you want to avoid sending employee absence details to a personal email address. You can only enable this option if you've selected No for the online login. In order to enable the SMS-only alerts, you must specify a coordinator permission for the user. It's a good idea to limit this to one team or site as appropriate. To activate coordinator alerts, the user will need to be added as a recipient to special trigger settings, and you should discuss this with your system administrator or contact support@honeydewhealth.com to discuss your requirements in more detail.